Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today guys, I found the most amazing viral product from Target, and I'm going to review it with you guys. So can you guys take a guess? Hey y'all, can you take a guess? Alright, so drum roll please. It is the Target toy cart. It was Matala in the background. This is for her. It's super cute, and I finally got my hands on it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys real quick. So I've been trying to get this thing for months, maybe like 6 months to a year. I've seen it on TikTok, Instagram. And every time I go on the app, it's sold out. If I go see it if I go to look for it in the store, it's sold out. But so happened, Grandma, my mom, bought her the regular pink cart, and then I was like, man, I really want the red cart. I was gonna do a DIY of making the cart because all it is just black wheels, and the other cart is pink and it has pink wheels. Was it pink wheels? Yeah, so I was just gonna paint it red and then paint these black to make it like this one and make the sticker. But I was like, I was showing my boyfriend how it looks because he was like, oh, how you gonna do it? So I showed it to him on how it looks, and then I saw it was in stock. I added that thing so fast, and then I had a $5 off, and then I had it was a coupon. If you buy a toy, it was 25% off, and then to buy, hey, be careful, to buy when you buy, you'll also get like a $5 gift card. So I practically got this for like $5 pretty much.
My God, wow.
Let's unbox it real quick. So I'm just gonna cut this strap right here. So this is like an early Christmas gift. But you know what's funny? I had wanted to get her a cart anyways because she goes to therapy, and she said that her pushing a cart will teach her the leverage of pushing something and pushing it backwards. So this is a cute little aesthetic for that. So hey, I'll go for that, and it'll help her physical therapy standpoint.
Anything that comes from Target.
That's Daddy-O in the back. So I took that off. And then this is less. Bless you. My little one has a cold, y'all. Alright, so we got grapes. We got the cup holder and the cup. So I guess you install it here. Is this where you install it? I'm assuming so. Oh yeah. You see a cart? Okay. Can you go to Daddy and get your nose wiped? Alright, so this is the cup. Goes in here. I should probably set it like this. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna put it up here for y'all to see. Alright, so this goes in here, and then this is the sleeve and the cup. It goes in here. Why doesn't it go all the way? Okay, so I lost the grapes already. Do you see the grapes? The grapes.
That's an ice cream sandwich. She didn't get one.
So it has the Target brand ice cream sandwiches. Oh, the grapes are in here. I can't see y'all. So I got the grapes in here. Okay, then you got the penne pasta. I'm always using this pasta. Then you got the blueberry bars. Okay. Then we got the whole milk. Even though we don't drink whole milk, but it's okay. We got a croissant. Oh, this would be so good with some chocolate or some Nutella right now. That would be so good. So croissant, and we have a pear. And then my daughter has a baby doll. I guess I'm a grandma now. So I'm gonna put her baby doll in here. So now this is how the Target cart looks. Okay, I'm gonna see if she's gonna push it, because I know that's something that she doesn't necessarily know how to do yet. But this is what the cart is for. So we're gonna see. Let's see if she will push it. But so far, I love it. It's cute. When we go to Target, I'm going to, once she learns the concept of pushing the cart, I'm gonna be taking this cart to Target with us when we go, and she'll have her cart. And I think it'll be so super cute. So let's see if she will, and I'll be right back. Push this way. Go ahead, push, push. Uh-oh, it's okay. She's like, oh, okay. She's peeping out the seam. Uh-oh. Put it in. Okay, let's show Daddy. Go ahead. Go ahead, push. Ooh, okay, you gonna stop now? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna play with her with the card, try to teach her how to use it, because again, I said, like, she doesn't really know necessarily how to use it. But so far, so good. I like it, I love it. I think it's so super cute. I hope you guys find it, because I know it's a hassle to get, but good luck. Just keep checking the app and add that thing to the cart and do a drive up or pickup order, because that's what I did. And it was like midnight. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and when I added it to my cart, it was ready for pickup the next morning. So definitely check your local Targets. But I'm going to end this video here. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.